Hey friend, welcome to the BotBuhdy AI report. Today we've got a packed show for you. Vercel launches Eve. Open source Next.js for AI agents. Genesis AI unveils Eno, wheeled robot with agentic brain. Foxconn debuts robots and NVIDIA Vera Rubin manufacturing in Europe. OpenA.I builds a near-autonomous AI chemist. And finally, OpenA.I unveils rare disease diagnosis and enterprise spend controls. Let's get into it.
Vercel just did for AI agents what they did for web apps. On June 17th, they dropped Eve, an open-source framework that treats agents like web pages. File system first, file-based routing, conventions over configuration. But this is not just a code scaffold. Eve ships with durable execution, sandboxed compute, human approval gates, sub-agents, built-in evals, and deployment across channels. Basically, everything you need to ship an agent that does not break in production. The model is smart. The plumbing is hard. Eve handles the plumbing. If this catches on, agent development stops being a research demo and becomes actual engineering. That is a massive shift.
This one caught my eye. There is more to this story than you might think.
Everyone is building robots that look like people. Genesis just said, forget that. Meet Eno, a minimalist wheeled machine with articulated panels, human-like hands, and a brain called Gene, not pre-programmed dance moves, true agentic reasoning. The robot plans long horizon tasks, figures out workflows, and shows you its thinking on a cognitive screen. No black box, no mystery. It raised $105 million, and production is targeted for the end of 2026. The big bet here is that a wheeled body with killer hands beats a shaky humanoid that can barely stay upright. And honestly, that logic is pretty hard to argue with.
Now, this is impressive. Seriously, take a look at what they pulled off.
Foxconn has a story to tell, and it is not about iPhones anymore. At VivaTech Paris, they showed off wheeled humanoid robots doing precision assembly. Here's the wild part. These robots were trained inside NVIDIA Isaac simulation, 780,000 trajectories in 11 hours. That would take months of real-world training. Same day, Foxconn announced they are building NVIDIA Vera Rubin supercomputer racks in the Czech Republic and France. That means Europe gets its first domestic production line for the latest rack-scale AI infrastructure. Simulation training on one side, hardware manufacturing on the other. Foxconn is stitching the whole physical AI pipeline together under one roof. Feels like a preview of what factory floors look like in 2030.
Okay, my mind is officially blown. I did not see this coming at all.
OpenA.I just put a model inside an actual chemistry lab and let it run experiments. On June 17th, they published research on what they call a near-autonomous AI, Chemist. The system proposed hypotheses, designed experiments, and improved a real medicinal chemistry reaction with minimal human help. That is the physical scientific method handled by AI, from start to finish. Alongside it, they launched LifeSci-Bench, a new benchmark to measure how well models perform on life sciences tasks. Because you cannot improve what you cannot measure. The near-autonomous label matters here. It is not fully independent yet. But if this trajectory continues, drug discovery timelines measured in decades could start compressing dramatically. That would rewrite the economics of medicine.
Okay, so this next one. This is actually really good news. We need more of this.
OpenA.I dropped 3 product updates on June 18th, and one of them could genuinely save lives. First, an AI system built to help physicians diagnose rare genetic diseases in children. These conditions are notoriously hard to spot. Doctors often miss them for years because the symptoms are bizarre and the data is scarce. AI, trained on the right corpora, can spot patterns a human might never see. Second, ChatGPT got improved health intelligence, better medical reasoning, more reliable answers. Third, enterprise spend controls, usage analytics, budget caps, cost governance, the boring stuff that actually matters to CFOs. The health work is the headline, but the enterprise controls are why OpenA.I keeps landing huge corporate contracts. They are playing both sides, and right now they're winning on both.
That's all for today, friend. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you tomorrow with more AI news. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, leverage your intelligence.